YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Worx WG163 GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. Because of two batteries, and it's going to replace the old trimmer that I had, which still works, but we wanted to upgrade. And this has a couple extra features on the last Worx trimmer that we did have. You're seeing everything that comes in the box in this cardboard box right here. It comes with two 20-volt batteries that are rechargeable. It comes with the charger. It also comes with a wheel that you use when you actually use it as an edger. You have actually the main trimmer right there. You have an instruction manual over here. And over there is the attachment, as you can see on the box right there. It keeps the trimmer safe from you and tells you a guide. It's basically a guide to show you where the edges of the actual trimmer reach. Now, I do have a warranty registration card. It has a 3-year warranty. Tells you all about the battery charger and battery. I'm almost sure that those are the same batteries I had in my old 20-volt battery trimmer, so I can use the other two that I had from before, which is nice to see. And then we have the main manual, so I'm gonna just look at this really fast and learn how to put this together. It's probably gonna require a screwdriver and then just basically charging those batteries, but I still have one charged for my old one, so I'm gonna try an old battery first just to show the compatibility with other 20-volt devices from Worx that you might have. As far as the directions, it's very visual. There's no real text here. Click that on, A2, screw that in, B, attach that to the side, C, put the battery in, make sure that you charge the battery up. If you have a double battery charger, which we don't, but if you did, you could charge two at the same time. It tells you the battery level on the battery itself, according to this maybe, and then go at it, hit the safety switch. You can rotate it in different ways if you want to use it as a trimmer or an edger. You can also do different elevations, and the handle goes up and down for comfort. It works pretty good, and you can also lock it 90 degrees. So it's just like the old one. It has a command feed button, which is probably going to force the string out of the trimmer. So we're going to check that out. That's something new. And then basically it just tells you how to put string in again. So that was a major video that I made a long time ago as well. As far as putting it together, wicked easy. That little part clamps on. There's a screw that you have to take off and put back on. And the wheel just kind of pushes on there and locks in. So took basically minutes. Battery itself is interchangeable with other 20-volt max PowerShare Worx products, but we usually use just the string trimmer. I've also have this other one that actually blows a lot of air. I can't remember what it's called right now, but I did do a review on that. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to the old trimmer so you can kind of compare the new features, but the batteries are pretty much the same. And again, we're going to plug this in and recharge this one, but I am going to use my old batteries too. But you just basically slide it on there, plug it in, and it's charging. So, and I like to plug it into my solar charger, which I also reviewed a long time ago. It's still working to this day, so I'll leave a link in the description below to that if you're interested in that. But yeah, I've had very good luck with these batteries. I haven't had to recycle one yet. Lost a little charge over time, but it's not that bad. So with these new batteries, I'm going to be back to full charge. Here's my solar charging battery. This is a charger we had before. I think this one works a little bit more powerful, it's just bigger, and it puts more amperage into the battery, so it has less of a charge time. But you can see that the one that they provide has a charging indicator. As soon as this green light goes to solid, you know it's fully charged. And if it's red, it means it's either too hot or it's just not good anymore. And you'd have to change out to a new battery pack because it's just wiped out over the years. So not that bad on charging. Just again, it's gonna be all solar power too, so it's free for me at least. So if we actually look at the trimmer edger itself, this unlock button is new. It lets you rotate the handle to whatever you want ergonomically. The lock down here is a little different. You do that, so you can rotate it 90 degrees and you lock it down like that. And this is all one piece now. Before, I think it was two. And there's that one screw that you have to remove. Has a guide for when you want to do edging. This moves up and down again to switch from trimmer, which it is right now at an angle, to an edger. And you just have to kind of push it down there like that, and this will be your edger. The old chargers work with it. The new charger comes with it. You have two batteries already included. We'll be able to do this whole yard in two batteries. That's usually what it takes. It comes with the trimmer string already installed, and here's the cutting blade, which is actually a little more secure than the old one I had. We just line up the connectors with the connectors there, slide it on, and it's in, and it's ready to go. And we'll just test it. Here's the safety button. Push that. Push the trigger right here. Ooh, that sounds nice. But what we're going to edge is the pathway first right here. We're going to make sure that we're at the 90-degree angle. Again, pushing this all the way in. We're also going to make sure that this is locked to not this position, but this position, and lock it down. If you unlock that, you can pull it up and make it a full extension, lock it down, and you're good to go on edging. So here we go. Let's try it out. As far as edging, it's doing a great job. Pretty much done with this. I'll have to wipe up all the debris, obviously, and just brush it off. But yeah, it took me like maybe 2 minutes at most for all of that. So we're doing really, really good. Just mowing the lawn here. Next is going to be weed whacking. We have a lot of flower beds out there and stuff like that. We also have on the other side of this stone wall, we have some grass that I couldn't get with the lawnmower. So we're going to test the actual trimmer with the grass that's against the wall. There's the grass, there's the trimmer. We're gonna trim all this. We had to rotate this 90 degrees. We just unlock this and we turn it. So that's 90 degrees. You can also adjust the handle as you see fit, but this seemed pretty good to me. So I can hold it out like that while I do it. So here we go. Easy. And there you go, quick and easy. Does a great job. Gonna get the rest of the yard. See the grass against this wall? We're gonna get that stuff. Again, that stuff you can't get with the lawnmower. So here we go. Now again, the guide on it, the plastic thing that shows you how far it goes, that does help. However, sometimes I just kind of gauge it on this side. It's just whatever's convenient for me. But as you see, it did a pretty nice job. There's a lot of grass there before. It's really hard around these rock walls to really get in there. Definitely will keep the grass at bay and looking decent after cutting your yard. Another problem area, again, is right along where we laid all this rock bed right here. So I have to get all this with the trimmer. And it's been doing a great job just on the yard in general. So let's see how it does on all of this stuff. Let's just stop for a minute and tell you what is great about this. One, it's aluminum and light. So if you're used to using those 1980s trimmers, you don't have to lift heavy weight to do this. It's pretty light. You can lift it with one hand pretty easy. Battery, we've been using it all over the yard. You can see it's down to 2 right now. Again, this is the extended, I think it's 4 amp hour battery. So you figure that would, using it all that time, would almost drain a regular battery. So if you have a bigger yard like mine, you're gonna need 2 of these at least to finish. It comes with 2 batteries, so you're good to go on larger lawns like this. The adjusting system is actually easier than the old version, and I gotta be honest with you, this command feed, it does feed the line, but it's also auto feeding, so I haven't had to really use that button at all. You can see that the string reaches the blade, and it's continued to do that the whole time I've been cutting. It's really good and really well built. A couple upgrades over the old one, but works just as good. Overall, the Worx WG163 GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer and edger is actually a good buy. I know it's a little more expensive than other brands. I've had really good luck with Worx, whereas other brands, such as I'm going to say at Black & Decker, didn't have good luck with that. But with Worx, I've actually had it. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Again, you have to register it with the warranty card I showed earlier. It's lightweight, it's easy to adjust, easy to put together. Batteries last a long time. That 4 amp hour is, again, an extended battery that you can buy. However, the 2 batteries they give you will take care of a big yard like mine. No problem. Probably won't use the whole 2 batteries, but you'll definitely need that second battery. Recommend getting it. Negatives, I really don't see much, except for maybe that power button, command feed button. I don't really think it does much. It does advance the line a little bit, but it automatically feeds really well anyways, so I didn't really see a need for it, but it's there if you want it. So that's the only negative, which isn't even really a negative. If you would like to purchase the Worx WG163 GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer and edger, said that on one breath, by the way, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that will be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.